Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to skewer the sausages with 2 skewers, and that's going to mean that we're not going to have any sausages turning and rolling and not being on the side that we want it to be on. You know what I mean? So let's do it. Let's skewer. These are beautiful venison sausages from Ash Farm, where we're staying at the moment. Man, I can't wait to try these, so let's get them on the grill. Alright guys, so we're going to make a sexy glaze for this. I'm going to take some Old J Spiced Rum with flavours of Persian lime and smooth vanilla. I love this stuff so much. I even got the t-shirt. So good. So we're going to take some of that little pan. And we're going to take some black cherry jelly.
Do you mean jam?
Nope, it's jelly. No, it is jam. It's got bits of bloody cherry in it. Alright, seeing as it's got bits in it, I'll put some black currant in as well. Oh, that smells nice. I've got a little brush here. You could use a wooden one like this, you could use a silicone one, or if you're really bougie, you could get some rosemary and use that as a basting brush. Oh baby! Great for the gram. Anyways, our little glaze is ready, so I'm gonna dip this in and paint it on. Let's go! These look absolutely delicious! Got some sauerkraut as a little bed on the board, but let's give the sausages a try. So cooked all the way through, nice and juicy inside, wasn't a hassle at all. Got that lovely glaze. Let's have a taste. Oh, that is amazing. The sausage is like nice and peppery itself, but then you get that lovely, sweet, slightly boozy glaze around the edges, and it just adds such a layer of flavour. You can really taste the cherry in there, particularly that cherry sweetness. Woo! That is good. With a bit of sauerkraut, that's going to be lush. Massive shout out to Ash Farm for these beautiful sausages. They're absolutely amazing, and staying here is great. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, and if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, you'll see all the notifications, but you don't have to. I don't care. Love you, bye.